let's take a look at a few places here in Bucharest, Romania. This is actually Carol the First, which is actually the first king of Romania, and he's mounted on his horse. He's actually the founder of the Romanian dynasty. And now there are a lot of free parks here in Bucharest, Romania, so feel free to roam around, take a stroll, just walk, enjoy the view, enjoy nature, sit down, read a book. It's free, like I said. One thing that the the country does for you, get free entertainment. So these nice sightseeings, and of course me, always showing that it's me doing this. And here we have another part of the park. As you can see, you can also ride your bike here. Enjoy a nice day. It was a really good day for actually being so close to the winter, and even the flowers were out. Everything was still green. You can still see the transition a bit of the trees, but you can notice that there's a lot of people still walking around, enjoying the last bit before the cold winter comes. Now you can see a bit of the streets during the day. I also had to show some of the Romanian flag, so you can really tell I am in Romania. The street seems to be pretty nice and clean. Once again, this is the capital city of Romania. Not a lot of cars at the time that I was going by. And here's a map of the city center. Now, this is a bit of a walk in the city center. It is very busy, very crowded. A lot of restaurants, a lot of places to eat. You can do also a lot of shopping. A lot of street vendors, cafes. So, you have a lot to pick from. Now let's move on a little bit at nighttime so you can see a little bit, once again, the Romanian flags. This is pretty much the same place in terms of the old city center, and that's basically how it looks. There's a lot of places you can still walk around. Here it kind of took a bit of a wrong turn, but it was still kind of neat to show another part. This is mostly apartment buildings. Unfortunately, there's a lot of graffitis, but I was basically the only one walking around. Pretty much the middle of the night, but even then I didn't feel unsafe or anything. Now, this was actually a bit of a chapel, so I didn't really go in. I wasn't sure if it was open or not, but here's a little explanation of where it's located and how it used to look. And again, there's a map of the old town, and we have here another church. It was raining pretty much a little bit prior. And here we have some art, actually. Still in the city, the capital city of Bucharest, Romania. Now I wanted to take a little bit of a drive in a Uber and show a little faster what it is that you will be expecting if you're out at night. Not a lot of cars, but you can still get an Uber at any time, because I did it. If you don't have Uber, you can try another platform. I know there's like Lyft and other share ride apps.
Shout out to the host, the Richter. This the Richter show, the Richter show.